YouTube. This is my latest drawing for Yu-Gi-Oh! It's on the floor. This is Yami / Atem, or his real name. Thumbs up if you comment. If you want me to draw it for you, just say black. My favorite color though. A lot of you will say that it's not a color, but I still like it. So if you want me to color it, just say black on the comment below. So I'll put a video up if you want me to. So see ya.